Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing good. Today's video is a little weird. I don't know if you heard about it or not, but as much as it's weird, that much works. It's about how to fix your sinus problems and your cold, and it's crazy. Well, I didn't believe it at the beginning myself, but when my mom got a sinus problem and she could not take it anymore and she wanted to really go to an emergency to the hospital, somebody suggested to do this and it worked. And she never wanted to go to the doctor again for any cold or sinus problem or infection around the head. So, what it is? Actually, it's a remedy that ancient people used to do it to fix their cold and infection. And you're not going to believe it, but it's true. So the thing that you need, you have to have it in order to fix your cold the way that I'm telling you. It's female donkey dropping. The dried female donkey dropping, and don't get weird, but it's really working. So I tried it on myself, my husband and my kid, and it worked for everyone. So I'm going to recommend it to you. If you really can have it, you can go to countryside and find the female donkey dropping, the dried one. Then you can just have some and keep it, and whenever you have the problem you can use it. So I'm going to show you here some of the dropping that I have. You can see here, and what you're going to do with this is that you are going to burn this, and the smoke which comes from this you're going to inhale and keep it for some seconds, as much as you can, and then exhale. And you just repeat this one, and then you're going to be okay. So I'm going to show you how to do this right now. We take some of the droppings and just put it right here and let it start smoking and burn. So this is a start smoking already, as you see. One thing you should know is that the smoke, when you're inhaling the smoke of this, it's gonna burn inside. So you have to, take it if you really want to fix your sinus and your cold. So you have to be aware of that. You can just turn it over and let it burn the other side as well. You can do this in a different methods. You can do it with the charcoal, just burn the charcoal and then put this one over the charcoal, or use the fire or the electric oven. Of course, the fire is the best one and the fastest one, but this is also working. So you can, once it starts smoking, you can just take it and just inhale it. You can just take it near to your nose and inhale it from your nose and keep it for some time. Just repeat this one 4 to 5 times and you will feel much better. So it's as easy as you see. The only thing is that you need to go and find some of these, which I'm sure if you have access to the countryside and you can go there, I'm sure you're going to get some. So as you see, I have it in here. Just inhale it. Keep it for some time and exhale. And you're going to feel much better. I hope you like this weird video. And if you do, share and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!